Hey everyone, we're back. Today is our dry ice blasting day. So we're blasting right now. We've been blasting since about 10 o'clock this morning, and I'll walk you through our equipment and how we have it set up. So let's check out what we got going on. Might be a little loud, so I'll try and stay farther away from it. Let's check this out. This is a 185 compressor. The dry ice blasting needs a lot of air pressure, and so that's what we use, is a 185 CFM compressor. Next to that is an air water separator. It's basically like a dehumidifier. It takes the compressed air and it pulls the water out of the compressed air so that when we blast, we've got dry air that doesn't get caught up in the dry ice blaster, which we'll take a look at, because when it's the dry ice is so cold and it doesn't mix with water at all. It is not a good thing. No water. Alright, here we are in the house. This is our work from yesterday. As we showed before, we pulled up all the flooring, and then we opened up all the subfloor, and now we can see the Crawlspace. It was really moldy, and so you can still see some evidence here of the mold growth that I showed earlier on earlier videos. It's kind of random. It's kind of everywhere. You can see that right there. So that's what we're after today. We're going to blast every single bit of this Crawlspace area, and then we're going to come back and clean, detailed clean every single bit. We'll have a vacuum and then wet wipe everything down. And in the end, we're going to put a vapor barrier down there for the homeowners. On earlier videos, I talked about that this house was likely built during the winter, and it rained, the water got in, and they closed it in. This is our blaster. What? It's an Aero 40. Right now, we're delivering 3 pounds of ice per minute. This is the hopper. Down there is dry ice. Dry ice rice pellets. You gotta get someone to fill that. Alright, you can see that. This is what we're looking at. This is dry ice rice. It's extremely cold, so you have to move it around. It's crystallized, so it's not burning my skin. This side is not done, and this side is done. Back again today. We have completed all of our dry ice blasting and a little bit of hand sanding in certain areas we couldn't reach. Our crew has gone in and wiped everything down real carefully, getting any debris and dust. So yesterday we finished our final cleaning. We're getting ready for our mold test, which is later today, and they'll take some surface samples on this wood and make sure that we're mold free. They're under there right now, putting the insulation back, and then the area up on top, this is the easy part, put the insulation back in. So, all right, today is subfloor day. We passed our inspection, and we're putting in the new subfloor. Okay, we are at the end of the project. The flooring guy installed our floor. He did a great job. It was very difficult to reinstall the existing hardwood floor. We had to be very careful taking it out, and it was like a puzzle, and he had to carefully put it back together. We're going to install this base, get a final clean, and call it good. This project went very well. I'm pleased, and we are going to move on to the next one. So thanks for watching.